Some men just want to rip off a woman's underwear and get their dick inside the pum-pum as quickly as possible. No thank you, no sing so. No wonder why some women say sex is overrated, you know what I mean? Today's topic is foreplay. Now, foreplay is a very important part of sex because it galvanizes the mind and the body towards sexual response. Contrary to what most men may think, foreplay doesn't always start by kissing and caressing. It can start with a simple gift. Now, if you want to have the best of your woman's pum-pum, I suggest that you buy her a lovely pocketbook. Because instantly, dozens of chemicals and hormones is released into her bloodstream, and it causes her to become emotionally stoned. So by the time you get her in bed, her skin will be extra sensitive, her breasts will be swollen, and her nipples will be super stimulated. When you start the kissing and caressing, the blood flow will be redirected towards her pubic area, and the nerve fibers in the genital region will become excited, and that is when fluids will run through the walls of her vagina, along with thick white fluids that serve as lubrication. Then the clit will be erected and the clitoral shaft will stick out like a crab's eye. And then muscle tension will build up throughout her body. Her pum-pum will deepen, and the entrance of her vagina tightens. So even if the pum-pum is a little wide, it will get a little narrow and adjust itself for you. So if you look back of all the girls that you think their pum-pum wasn't good, it was you that was no good. Pum-pum is normally good to those who are good to it, you know what I mean? Now, always remember this. The clit is the gatekeeper. If it doesn't rise and salute you, you are not authorized to enter. Without reasonable foreplay, the pum-pum is not ready for cocky. Now I want to big up all my matriarchs out there. A woman power me say no. This is lesbian. I'm the lady superhero. For men, I care zero. Up, up, and away!